1. Don't compare your relationship to others. Every relationship is unique. Focus on your journey instead of comparing it to other couples you see online or in your social circle. 2. Accept that disagreements are natural. It's okay to disagree. What matters is how you handle it, with respect, patience, and a willingness to find a solution. 3. Show appreciation regularly. Don't take your partner for granted. Regularly showing appreciation keeps love alive and nurtures the relationship. 4. Take interest in each other's hobbies. You don't have to love all of your partner's hobbies, but taking an interest shows you care about what makes them happy. 5. Make important decisions together. Whether it's finances, kids, or career choices, big decisions should always involve both partners. It's a team effort.